New Lab's a singular resource for a certain type of entrepreneur that we want to encourage to be in New York City. Companies that are working at the intersection of hardware and software that are trying to solve tough problems in an urban environment.
If you're working in robotics or even nanotechnology or anything where data is hitting the physical world, there was a huge gap in resources and collective intelligence, like a place where people could share knowledge and leverage one another's knowledge sets.
So we were really excited to partner with New Lab. First of all, they're in Brooklyn, and we like to help support businesses that are outside of the central business district to create jobs for a broad range of New Yorkers. Advanced manufacturing is clearly a growth sector, so we thought the potential to get the mix of both high-growth tech jobs as well as production jobs provided some very interesting possibilities for New York and its workforce. And so we provided several bridge loans totaling $7.5 million, and they used that money to help build this fabulous space out. And that's how you remain a leader, is you're always looking for the new things to support so you can continue the growth, continue to attract the capital and the talent and the bright ideas.
If you look at New Lab today, almost 2 years in, we have over 100 companies. They represent about 500 employees collectively. They've raised well over $1 billion in venture capital. What we see is these companies are going to continue to grow and in fact outgrow New Lab, and new companies to come in that are earlier stage and take root here.
Without the partnership fund, we wouldn't have been able to do this project. They helped us with a bunch of different financial vehicles. They helped us with advice. They helped us with mentorship. A big part of what they've done for us is just introduce us to corporate leaders.
Maria Gosh and Kathy Wild and the whole team there really got very early on what we were after and what we thought could happen in this building. And ultimately, it was really a civic intervention that we were trying to create. I think they really understood that this had the potential to have real impact and to have a ripple effect in New York City. To this day, they really are our strongest partner.
What New Lab stands for in New York is a place that represents optimism in tech. So I can imagine that 5 years from now, there could be 5 New Labs spread around the world and become a place that helps these entrepreneurs that are trying to do important work have a direct impact on the cities they live in and also on the people who use their products.
If any of you out there have good ideas that we can support with financing as well as our corporate relationships, we'd love to hear about them.